So here we have, it's a proportion, right, because there's no word mean or average in here. And also you see this percentage. That's your p-hat. And then, so it's going to be a z-distribution. And it's also a confidence interval. However, it's a confidence interval because, how do you know it's a confidence interval? It says estimate. You guys see that one there? But it has a question. Anytime you have a confidence interval with a question, check and see if it's a find n problem. This one is. It's a how big of a sample, right? That's find n. So it means I have to have given you the error. Find within, you find the error. Within 2%, my error is 0.02. My critical value, let's see, 99% confidence level. So you look at it up in the table, you get 2.576 or 2.575. Either one's fine, I don't care. And then your p-hat. P-hat's 36%. So p-hat's 36%, 0.36, then your q-hat is 0.64. All right, so then we pop these in here. All right, n equals my critical value over error squared times p-hat q-hat. So 2.576 over 0.02 squared times 0.36 times 0.64. And you get 3822.2. You have to have a whole number of people. You cannot survey a portion of a person, so you have to round. But you have to round up because this is the minimum sample size needed. So 3822 is not enough. You need at least this much. You have to round up to 3823. Make sure you pay attention to that because that will cost you a point or two. Questions on this one?
Yeah, I have a question. So
yeah.
These problems are supposed to mimic the exam, right?
Yep.
So is like the main challenge for students on the exam is like figuring out which like problem, like what to do in them, not so much like the work itself. Like these seem like really easy.
Yeah, they are really easy. Yeah.
So it's just discerning for which.
Yeah. The hardest part is probably figuring out which problem is which. And you know, sometimes people screw up and the other thing people do is they get lazy or they mess up and they will use a z table when they should use a t table or vice versa. So they get caught up in stuff and they'll forget and they'll get neglectful and they'll use a t instead of a z. That's another super common problem I see people do. And I don't know whether you're doing that out of ignorance or doing that out of a mistake, so I have to assume that you don't know, right, and you lose points for that. So those are kind of the common things that people do is they use a t instead of a z or vice versa, or they do the wrong type of problem. The other thing, again, that's going to happen pretty often is they'll do stuff where they will take a look at this and they will treat it like two samples, independent. So they'll treat it like this is the first sample, they'll find the mean and standard deviation of the top one, they'll find the mean and standard deviation of the bottom one, and that's completely wrong. You'll get the wrong answer. These are matched up. When they're matched up like this, then it's dependent and you have to subtract them, and then you just run a one-sample t-test on their differences. So that's the other thing that gets tricky is people, they don't see that these are dependent, right? This is 10 people. These are 10 people before and after. So this is the same person before and after. This is another person before and after. They're related, and they just don't see that. So those are two of the common mistakes. And again, I always get somebody who they're supposed to do a confidence interval and they do a hypothesis test for me, or vice versa. Or it's a proportion and they try to do something with a mean, or vice versa. Those happen all the time. Okay, any other questions?